For today's lesson, we are going to be reviewing Unit 4, Lesson 2, Modeling with Arrays. So the steps that we're going to take today, number 1, we'll read the problem, identify important information. Number 2, create an array to show the problem. And number 3, write an equation. So let's take a look at our example. The problem reads, there are 5 plates. Each plate has 3 cookies. How many cookies are in all? So some of the important information that we see here, we know that there are 5 plates, and we know that there are 3 cookies on each plate. So an array was drawn with 5 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then each plate had 3 cookies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all the way down. So our equation is the number of plates, which there are 5, and the number of cookies on each plate, which are 3, and then the total number of cookies, which is 15. So the sentence reads, there are 15 cookies in all. So let's try the structured guided practice together. The directions say use an array to solve. Let's read the problem. There were 4 flowers. Each flower has 3 bees on it. How many bees are there in all? So the important information that we see here is that there are 4 flowers and each flower has 3 bees. So I'm going to begin by making my array. Here are my 4 flowers. 1, and this is not going to be neat, boys and girls. I'm trying the best that I can with this drawing tool. So that's 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, and 4 flowers. Now I'm going to show that each flower has 3 bees. So that's 1 bee, 2, 3, second flower with 3 bees on it. My third flower has 3 bees. And then my 4th flower has 3 bees. So now I'm ready to write my multiplication sentence. So I have 4 flowers with 3 bees. So I know that 4 times 3 will give me 12. So there are 12 bees in all. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 reads, Isabella found 5 ladybugs. Each ladybug has 6 spots. How many spots did they have all together? Okay, so we know she found 5 ladybugs. That's important. So I'm going to do 5 rows representing my bugs rather. And then we know that each ladybug has 6 spots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just going to go ahead and complete the array. Many of you remember that we underline and circle important information in word problems. So if you would like to do that, I didn't do it in this scenario, but if you would like to go ahead and do that to your word problems, that would be awesome. It's just a review and a good strategy to use in the future. So We have the number of ladybugs, which is 5. The spots on each ladybug, which is 6. And then the total number of spots, if I were to count all of this together, the answer would be 30. So we say that 5 times 6 is equal to 30. And the sentence will read, they have 30 spots all together. Okay, so your assignment, boys and girls, is going to be to complete the rest of the pages. So you have a student practice with 4 problems. And then you also have some extra practice problems where you're also practicing arrays and modeling multiplication with arrays. Okay, so that is it for today. As always, take care, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Goodbye now.